Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Vantrue sent a car jump starter kit. First off, I always show the manual because it's very important to read the manual. So this is what it looks like. Ultra bright LED light with SOS made. Supports 5 modes, so we'll turn it on if there's an emergency, your car broke down, or you're looking for something in your car and it's dark. You can use it. You can use it for camping as well. And also it has a USB cable. You can actually charge your phone if if you need to charge. It's like a power bank as well. And ayan, yan yung different modes niya. And so, right now, it's charged 75%. Yung ating jumper. I guess one of these is a negative. Ito, this is the positive. Make sure you put it on the positive charge. And this is the negative charge. Ano naman siya? Well marked. So, also, this is the cable. So, it has this too. The charger for this. And it's like a power bank. So, it's really, really nice. And you can actually charge your phone. So, we're gonna try that with my phone. Ayan guys. Yung nagcha-charge na siya. Power bank and car jump starter din siya. 30 watts two-way lightning fast charging. Only take 2.9 hours to charge 100% for the car. 10 intelligent safety protections prevent breakage caused by incorrect connections or sparks. Because definitely, nako, kailangan natin to sa ating buhay. 'Di ba? Kasi kalimitan, 'di ba, yung minsan magka-aberya sa daan, 'di ba? So, anuin ko muna siya, patayin ko muna siya. Ayun. Super convenient niya lang bitbitin. So, dito to, and mabigat siya. Tsaka, maganda yung quality. Kasi meron kaming car jump, portable car jump starter. Hindi ganito kaganda. Hindi ganito yung quality. So, ito lang basically. Ito maraming features. Okay, balik ko dito sa loob. So, if you guys wanna check this out, I will link it in the description box below. Ayan. Guys, let's balot-balot na nitong ating egg roll wrapper. Itong ating lumpiang Shanghai. So, ito yung aking pambalot na binibili. So, ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal-tanggal ko siyang isa-isa. Ayan na, nagay ko siya dito. Make sure na moist itong paper towel na ilalagay nito. Tapos yan yung ating itlog. Yan ang ating egg wash, guys. Yung pang-selyo natin. Start na natin, guys. Ang pagbalot tayo ng isang piraso. Tapos, kuha tayo dito. Siguro isang, yan, isang kutsara. And then, ang ginagawa ko, kinakalat ko siya, guys. Kinakalat ko siya sa gitna. Dito rin, sa tabi-tabi. Kanti pa siguro. Ayan. Ay nga pala, may ginger din pala to, guys. Mayroon ako napanood. Masarap daw yung may ginger. So, yan. Tapos, i-envelope natin. So, ganito siya. Ganyan ako magbalot. Ako, iba kayong magbalot siya. Iba-iba tayo, guys. So, yan. Ganyan lang. Roll, roll, roll. Okay. Tapos, yung ating egg wash. Charan! And okay na siya. Yan na. Yan na yung ating medyo malaki siya. Ayan na. Ganyan. Diba ang ganda? So, dire-diretso lang tayo. Tapos ito, dito ko siya ilalagay, guys. Para yung loob ng pinagbalutan ng plastic, dyan ko siya ilalagay. Para ano pa rin siya moist. Okay? And then, repeat. Ganun lang. Ano lang tayo. Ulit-ulit lang. May sesame oil and ginger din to. Pero konti lang. Lahat is, everything is ano lang, yung hindi ganun ka overpowering. Yung tama lang. Okay. Okay. Na, di ba? Iba-ibang may mahaba, may maliit. So, ganyan lang. So, sa loob. Okay, guys. And then, mamaya, pagtapos na, ilagay natin, ipapakin natin siya. Freeze natin. Ayan, guys. So, ngayon, natapos ko na itong 25 pieces. Ayan na. So, ngayon, nalagay ko siya Ziploc bag. Ito pa yung tira. And then, mayroon pa ako isang balot. Kunin ko sa ref. And, hihiwa-hiwalayin ko siya. Medyo matagal kasi, mga 15 minutes magtanggal isa-isa ng 25 pieces. And then, pag kulang pa, magbababa pa ako sa freezer. To, lagay ko muna, habang ginagawa ko to, lalagay ko muna to sa freezer. Sa refrigerator, para hindi siya, you know, basta dapat nasa fridge siya, para hindi mabulok. So, ngayon, lagyan na natin ito sa Ziploc. 25 pieces. So, maganda, marami-rami na yun. So, baka maka 75 ako pieces. So, maganda yung may stock para you know. So, yan na guys yung 25 pieces. So, lalagay ko na siya sa freezer. And then, pag natapos na ako dun sa isa pa, aking dadagdagan to hanggang mapuno. And then, another Ziploc. So, 25 to malamang maka 70 tayo. So, dalawa pang balot na ganito. Okay, guys. So, freeze na natin. Then, start ulit tayo. Pagkataas natin itong matanggal isa-isa. Matrabaho kasi. Madaling maggawa. Pero yung pinakamatagal dito is pagbabalot and pagpiprito. Kaya kailangan sa pagbabalot pa lang, ilang oras na. So, kailangan na, depende sa gagawin nyo. Ito, 2 pounds to eh. So, kaya ganito ako magawa. Ito, finifreeze ko talaga siya. Para ready na, piprito lang. Yung pagpiprito, guys, napakatagal din. So, well, anyways, yan, nagawa natin. And then, yung next naman. Ayan, yung mga bata, tinuruan ko magbalot ng lumpia. Tighter, baba. Tighter. So, tinuruan ko yung mga batang magbalot ng lumpia. Shanghai. Ayan. Okay. Gusto yung egg wash. Ayan, sabi ko, huwag na maghugas ng kamay every time dahil kung 100 piraso. Yan. Lagyan natin doon.
Show daddy.
Okay, show daddy. Nanonood pa rin kami nung ng huhuli ng cobra. So, dito sila. Kanina pa kami at least. Tapos magpipito kami. Ito yung mga nagawa ng mga bata. Ayan. Yan ang nagawa nila. Tapos ipiprito namin yung ginawa nila. Ayan. Okay. So, yan yung aming. So, ito na yung tira. So, lalagyan ko na sila dito. Lalagyan ko na sila. Tapos, ikakalat nila ng kanilang kutsara. Sila na ang magkakalat na ganyan. Tapos, magro-roll. Ako naman, tinatanggal ko pa to dito sa aking. Tinatanggal ko pa dito isa-isa. Go ahead, babies.
I already had a spoon.
Oh, okay. So, yan. Ating egg roll. Lumpia Shanghai helper. Mga wrappers. Lumpia Shanghai wrappers. Ayan. Perfect. Okay. Uy, hot yun. Wag. Not yet. Yeah. Okay.
It's hot. Did I put enough?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
The other one. Go put more. Just be careful. Don't throw because it's hot.
All of them. Is this what you use for lumpia?
Or any oil. Except for olive oil.
Bye-bye. This is my lumpia.
Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
I'll go eat my own lumpia.
Okay. Alright. I think 4 is fine, right? We don't want to overcrowd it. So, ngayon guys, yan, nagprito na. Babalot pa sila. Mabilis silang matuto eh.
No, what's happening?
Oh. I have to stop. Oh, you have your own. Okay. Alright, so luto lang kami, guys. Yeah, ready na. Yan, good job. So, what I use is chopsticks. Where's my chopsticks? Ben, could you get my chopsticks? So, parang dinoble fry natin para siya ay malutong. You have to cook it really good because it's pork, you know? Ayan. Shanghai day.
Did you move my spring roll?
A little bit, yeah. I think it's ready. Okay, so this is kuyas. I don't know what this is.
Kuyas?
You guys wrap it really good. You guys wrapped it really, really well.
This is mine. That's mine.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Okay.
Right there.
Well, I'm gonna fry more. Okay, well, okay. Easy. Okay, easy because it's. Okay, put more. This is kuyas. Okay, it's still hot.
Mine? Kuyas. That's mine.
Okay.
That's mine.
Okay.
Which one is mine?
I think 2 for you, right?
This and this.
Yeah, this and this.
I think. But I put my spring rolls over
You wrap
here.
it well. You wrap it both so good, so I can't tell the difference because you wrap it so well.
And none of them fell apart.
No, because it's Ben, kuya, so it's easier for you to. Okay, so ganyan. Teka. Kuya, ito
I'm
sa
giving
iyo.
it to Daddy.
To Daddy, you're giving it to Daddy. Okay.
Thank you.
Give me one. Okay. Here. Sige. Push. Yan, para madaling kainin. Bibigyan lang sa Daddy nila para. So yun, guys. Okay, so hindi pa kami tapos. Alas 4 na, nag-umpisa ako alas 9 ng umaga. Pero marami akong tumigil ako, na ganyan. So, pero super tagal maggawa, guys. Okay, guys, ayun na muna.